So yeah, I'm Danielle Brown, and I've used a Quickie tube wheelchair for 30 something years. There was a magazine at my mom's workplace, and there was an article in it of a girl that was dancing for a dance studio in Mount Vernon. So I ended up going there and talking to them, and they said, well, if you want to come in and try it, you're more than welcome. So I started like in October of 2015, and here we are, 2019, and every year I feel like I get better. So, but yeah, no, I just like it because you get lost in the moves and the music that you just kind of forget everything else that's around you, or how bad you're feeling that day. Like if I'm having a lot of pain, I just, for some reason when I start dancing, it just leaves my mind.